This video is brought to you by Mahalakshmi Jewelers, Mobile Master, Frespresso Coffee Shop, New Sun Fabrics Clothes Store, Javed Habib, and by Madina Chicken World.
Hello everybody, I am Dr. K. Srinivasa Sharma, IIT coaching faculty member. I have been dealing with IIT and NEET aspirants for the last 20 years. I have been working throughout India. In addition to Andhra Pradesh, I used to work in 10 states of India. Coming over to myself, I have done MSc Chemistry from Hyderabad Central University, in which the entrance I have got All India level 8th rank. After completion of that, I started my career with Dr. IIT Ramaiah sir, where IIT Ramaiah sir used to take 100 students every year and used to make all the 100 into IITians. In the same way, I could see many double single-digit rankers throughout India in IIT and in NEET. Now we are going to establish a new institution in Gulbarga in collaboration with Al Sharai College. Now myself, K. Srinivasa Sharma, along with Mr. Subba Raidu sir, recently in 2018 could make Karnataka state first rank in KSET and All India level NEET 105 rank, which is also state first rank in Karnataka. The person's name is nothing but Mr. Sridhar Dodamani from Bijapur district. In fact, that student has no previous expectation, but he is made to be the best ranker in Karnataka by our collaboration. Now myself along with Mr. Subba Raidu sir and Al Sharai management, we are going to produce the best ranks from Gulbarga. Our institute name is also fixed to be S. S is meant for success, surety, security, and so on. Our main aim is to take repeaters batch. Repeaters in the sense after completion of second year, whoever have got not a considerable rank in NEET, we would like to take them and we want to make them to get a position in government college, government medical college. So the advantage of taking one more year is just wastage of 1 year, but they can get very good position and they need not waste a lot of money for completion of MBBS. With very less amount of money and very good reputed colleges, they can finish the MBBS so that they can become the best doctors. If we trust us really by our systematic approaches on the subjects, we will definitely can make the students to become the rankers to get free seats in government colleges. We can assure ultimately what is, whoever student trusts us, definitely we can make them to be the best of not only Karnataka, throughout India.
Hello, good day everybody. Here in Gulbarga, we are having an institute to be started for repeaters batch. And for that, we are having a collaboration with Al Sharai group of institutions. Myself, Subba Raidu, physics faculty. I am an MSc from Andhra University. During my student days, I was the 4th ranker in the state, and I produced many ranks below 100, below 10. And some of the good ranks what I produced were 8th rank, 6th rank, 5th rank, and even 2nd rank. Ronak, he is the person in Bangalore, he got state 2nd rank. Now this year, 2018, we got state first rank by Sridhar Dodamani in Bijapur district, where we used to go weekly 2 or 3 days as a guest faculty. The faculty present there were teaching for them the theory examinations, and we were teaching for the NEET and IIT JEE advanced examination. So with that, he has gone through all JEE rank, that is JEE mains, he got 928 rank, NEET state first rank and All India 105 rank, CET state first rank, and this advanced also he got 3000 rank. Now he is about to join in engineering course only. And 2-3 years back in Bangalore, my students got, I gave training for 14 students. 8 of them got ranks below 1000 and 6 of them got below, that means in between 1000 and 2000. All 14 members got IIT seats. The best rank in that was 246. That 246 rank person got state second rank in CET. This is all about me. And here in Alshara Institute, I am coming as a guest faculty for the past 2 years. This year, we are having a common collaboration of conducting the repeaters batch, and I myself and chemistry Dr. K.S. Sharma, we and Alshara management, we are all partners for promoting the repeaters batch, and here we are going to give the guarantee of whoever joins with us, we are going to send them for free seats in government medical colleges. This is our guarantee, provided they are working as per our instructions. Then daily whatever work we are giving, when they are doing in time to time without any pending or postponement, then definitely whoever joins here, they will be entering into the government medical college as a free seat holder, paying some 15 or 16,000 instead of paying 16 lakhs, 25 lakhs, 80 lakhs. Donations are also there. Instead of it, if they are repeating the examination for second time, maybe 1 year lost in their life, but they will save a lot of money and they will get the good company of good people as their classmates. When they are getting the seat through this type of donation seats, then the other teammates, other classmates will also be of that nature. But if they are going to government colleges, then the talent of the students will be almost equal, and everyone will be helping to each other, and all of them will be going to higher positions in their life. So for that, they have to spare 1 more year getting a very good rank, and their life will become very much colorful. This is what we can guarantee for them, for repeating the examination once again and getting definitely very good rank. I'll give a small example in this regard. 5 years back in Baroda, one of my students got in 6,700 rank in IIT JEE. She is a girl. Because of girl with 6,700 rank also, she got one of the BTech seats in IITs. She did not go and join. She repeated the examination, and All India 119 she got second time. So this is a very good example of the advantage of repeating the examination once again. Here, while repeating in regular college, they have to attend for the practicals, writing the records, the languages, and theory examination preparation. So many things will be there. So with that burden, they may not concentrate on NEET examination. But by repeating, so in this languages are not there, practicals are not there, this record work is not there, theory exams are not there, they can concentrate only on these 3 subjects of their choice, maybe physics, chemistry, biology, or physics, chemistry, mathematics for JEE mains entrance, and they can concentrate and they can excel themselves in the respective examinations. This is the advantage of repetition after 2 years of course. So with this advantage, if they are coming to us having a faith on us, trust on us, then we will give the guarantee of sending them to government medical college free seats. This is what I am about to say. All the best for everyone.
This video is brought to you by Mahalakshmi Jewelers, Mobile Master, Frespresso Coffee Shop, New Sun Fabrics Clothes Store, Javed Habib, and by Madina Chicken World.